Today I'm going to show you how to replace the diaphragm and seal inside of your glycol Granzow valve. So this will probably be piped in for your glycol and wired also. So it can be a little difficult to get to these bolts. If need be, you can take off the actual solenoid. And you can get to your bolts here a little bit easier. Just kind of get them all broke loose. While I'm doing this, I want to make a note that there is a direction of flow, which, like I said, it will be hard piped in, but there is an arrow for the direction of flow of your glycol going into your fermentation, bright tank, heat exchanger, and cold liquor tank. I'm going to take these, set them aside. All right, covers off. This is your diaphragm. You will notice that there's a very small spring that you do not want to lose. And then there is a small hole that will go in the direction of your flow. So when this is mounted for your tank, you need to make sure that that small hole is going to be going in the direction of the flow. So we take that out, take a small flathead, that comes out really easy. Here's our old parts, our new part, replace this. Take your new diaphragm, don't lose the small spring. There's my small hole. This is the direction of flow. So that will need to go, the small hole is on the top, direction of flow that way. It's also a good thing to know in case you ever have valve problems with flow. That's usually the problem, is that you can get debris, trash in there, and it will get around the sealing part of the diaphragm and it will allow glycol to slip through. So just a good heads up if you ever need to not just replace, but if you need to do your own personal maintenance on them. It's the first place to start. All right, got all those tightened down. You can tell which side it came off, of course, you'll remember, because this can be turned in any direction, but this is where you'll have your wire coming in, and this also can go in any direction. You just want to make sure that you have your washer on the flat side. Tighten that back down. Go and actuate it, test it out. You should be good to go. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.